What are you doing?
I am watching mobile.
What are you doing?
I am watching mobile.
Do you agree?
Yes, I do.
Do you agree?
Yes, I do.
Where are you going?
I am going to a party.
Where are you going?
I am going to a party.
What did you buy?
A cup.
What did you buy?
A cup.
What are you doing?
I am playing in the mud.
What are you doing?
I am playing in the mud. Bye-bye.
Who is she?
She is a chef.
Who is she?
She is a chef.
What is this?
It is a pen.
What is this?
It is a pen.
What is this?
It is a book.
What is this?
It is a book.
What is this?
This is a computer.
What is this?
This is a computer.
Who is that?
He is an artist.
Who is that?
He is an artist.
Who are they?
They are musicians.
Who are they?
They are musicians.
Who is he?
He is an engineer.
Who is he?
He is an engineer.
Who are they?
They are students.
Who are they?
They are students.
Who is he?
He is a firefighter.
Who is he?
He is a firefighter.
What are those?
They are hangers.
What are those?
They are hangers.
Who is this?
She is a scientist.
Who is this?
She is a scientist.
What is this?
It is a flower.
What is this?
It is a flower.
What is that?
It is a cat.
What is that?
It is a cat.
What is that?
It is a bicycle.
What is that?
It is a bicycle.
What is that?
It is a guitar.
What is that?
It is a guitar.
What are those?
Those are keys.
What are those?
Those are keys.
Who is that?
He is a pilot.
Who is that?
He is a pilot.
What are those?
Those are watches.
What are those?
Those are watches.
Who are they?
They are friends.
Who are they?
They are friends.
Who is she?
She is a nurse.
Who is she?
She is a nurse.
What is that?
It is a tree.
What is that?
It is a tree.
What is this?
It is a cup.
What is this?
It is a cup.
What is this?
It is a car.
What is this?
It is a car.
What is this?
It is a smartphone.
What is this?
It is a smartphone.
Who are they?
They are siblings.
Who are they?
They are siblings.
What is that?
It is a puppy.
What is that?
It is a puppy.
Who are they?
They are doctors.
Who are they?
They are doctors.
What is that?
It is a bag.
What is that?
It is a bag.
Can you bake cookies?
Yes, I can bake cookies.
Can you bake cookies?
Yes, I can bake cookies.
What do you do?
I'm an actor.
What do you do?
I'm an actor.
Are you married?
No, I am single.
Are you married?
No, I am single.
Do you like travel?
Yes, I love to.
Do you like travel?
Yes, I love to.
Can I use your phone?
Sure, here you go.
Can I use your phone?
Sure, here you go.
Can I sit here?
Sure, go ahead.
Can I sit here?
Sure, go ahead.
What are you doing?
I'm studying for my exam.
What are you doing?
I'm studying for my exam.
What did you study in college?
I studied computer science.
What did you study in college?
I studied computer science.
What's your favorite holiday?
I love Christmas.
What's your favorite holiday?
I love Christmas.
How was the trip?
It was so fun.
How was the trip?
It was so fun.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I am fine.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I am fine.
Do you feel sick?
No, I feel fine.
Do you feel sick?
No, I feel fine.
How does it taste?
It's delicious.
How does it taste?
It's delicious.
How is today's date?
It's Friday.
How is today's date?
It's Friday.
What does this mean?
That means friends.
What does this mean?
That means friends.
Where does it hurt?
It hurts here.
Where does it hurt?
It hurts here.
Are you happy?
No, I am not happy.
Are you happy?
No, I am not happy.
Do you understand?
No, I don't understand.
Do you understand?
No, I don't understand.
What are you doing?
I am cleaning my room.
What are you doing?
I am cleaning my room.
Where did you go?
I went to the post office.
Where did you go?
I went to the post office.
Hey! You're doing awesome! Keep learning, keep smiling!
जो उम्मीद है आपको वीडियो पसंद आया होगा। सब्सक्राइब करो हमारे चैनल प्ले टाइम फन पे। बाय बाय।